Hey everyone, Eric Graham here with Innovate Real Estate in your stat of the week. So last week we kind of looked at a comparison of kind of what the market was doing currently in comparison to back to 2022, and want to do kind of a similar bit of a comparison. But this week we're going to be looking at specifically month supply of inventory. So how much inventory we have out there that would last how many months for the number of buyers that are out there looking. So currently we are at about 5.3 months supply of inventory. When just to give a little bit of context in regards with that, kind of as we look at things, if you're at about 6 months of inventory, that's considered to be a neutral market. If you're above 6 months, you're in more of a buyer's market. Below 6 months is typically a little bit more of a seller's market. So as I said, right now we're at about 5.3 months supply of inventory, getting to that kind of neutral ground of things. But as we look back past the last few years, just to give some context to where we're at of things, we look back to 2025. The averages then were about 5.3, so we're pretty equal to what we were at last year at this point in time of the year. Back to 2024, we were at 4.6 month supply of inventory. In 23, we're at 3.2% or 3.2 month supply. 2022, we're at 2 months. In 2021, we're at 1.6 months supply of inventory. And if we go back to 2020, we're at 4.2 months supply of inventory. So if you were to chart that out, you can see at 2020, you had a drop in over to 2021 of the 1.6 months, slowly ticked up to 2 in 2022, and it's progressively climbed up to where we're at right now in that very close to a neutral market of things. But if you'd like any more information about how this affects you and your real estate dreams, please get a hold of me. We'd love to chat with you. You guys all have a great one. Thanks.